and good evening, everyone. My name is Ronita D'Souza, and I am an educationist. I'm associated with Little Wings from last 5 years. We are glad that on this platform, we are able to reach out so many viewers, and our only concern is our little ones. And it gives me immense pleasure to welcome our guests tonight, Shailja, an educationist, and Mr. Abhishek and Dr. Rima. Before we start, we would like to see our Dr. Wings video.
दोस्तों, लिटिल विंग्स होलिस्टिक चाइल्डहुड सेंटर आप और मैं हम साथ करेंगे इसमें एंटर। मैं वो वाली डॉक्टर नहीं जो बीमारियों का इलाज करे। फिक्र मत करो, नहीं लगाऊंगी इंजेक्शन बड़े बड़े। मैं तो नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों का सहलाऊंगी कोमल मन, मिटा दूंगी उनका इमोशनल, फिजिकल और मेंटल खालीपन। 1.5 साल के लंबे पैंडेमिक का उन पर हुआ है असर गहरा। बच्चों के दिलो दिमाग पे जैसे लग गया हो पहरा। पर प्रिय पेरेंट्स और मेरे नन्हे दोस्त, छोड़ दो सारी फिक्र। मैंने बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट से इस मुश्किल का किया है जिक्र। उन्होंने मुझे बताए हैं कई हल। उनकी सलाह से हो जाएगा जीवन सरल। 1 से 6 वर्ष की आयु होती है मानसिक विकास का स्वर्ण काल, पर 1.5 वर्ष की सामाजिक दूरी ने इनके विकास पे लगाया है विराम। उनके आने वाले जीवन पर उठ सकते हैं कई सवाल। मैं डॉक्टर विंग्स भरने आई हूँ ये अभाव। हर एक बच्चे पे होगा इसका उचित मानसिक प्रभाव। इन नन्हे मुन्नों के अंदर जगाएंगे एक नई ऊर्जा और एहसास। शिक्षकों, एक्सपर्ट्स और पेरेंट्स के सहयोग से भर देंगे उनके अंदर आत्मविश्वास। स्पोर्ट्स, एजुकेशन, योग और न्यूट्रिशन, म्यूजिक, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट और मेडिटेशन, जनरल नॉलेज, साइंस और इनोवेशंस, इन सब के बारे में।
Welcome back. So to address all our queries, we have our expert and educationist, Shailja ji, and our other guest, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee and Dr. Rima. I would like to take this liberty, Shailja ji, if you could please throw some light on this. According to you, what is the difference between a preschool and holistic childcare center? And also, don't you think our kids have missed this type of holistic learning and ambience in their growing years?
First of all, ma'am, I would really like to thank all of you all to give me this opportunity to, come on this platform and express my views on this. Coming back to your question, I think there's a huge difference between preschool and holistic center. I'm sure, a lot of people might think that they mean the same, but honestly, it doesn't. If you really look at, when we were children, I mean, our parents, they were looking for preschool, only a place wherein a child would gain education and probably spend 2-3 hours of the day and just, a place where they could be occupied. But now times have changed, children have changed, their needs have changed. And that's where, holistic development becomes even more important. If we try to understand, what holistic really means, it's, creating a balance between mind, body, and soul. And it's really good to see that, Little Wings have taken this initiative of kind of trying to redefine what preschool should have actually looked like, but it doesn't for some odd reason. And it's great to see, the kind of curriculum and engagement and activities that we are trying to give our children so that they develop holistically and not just in one dimension, which is just academics. So it definitely means very, very different. And as parents, I think now whenever they are looking to enroll their children in a school, they should look for holistic development and not just academics.
Thank you so very much, Shalja ji. Good evening, Mr. Abhishek.
Good evening, ma'am.
If you could just answer this for me, please. This is another query we have. In your opinion, how important it is for a preschooler to have a physical classes to develop their bondings with teachers and outside world?
Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Abhishek Banerjee. I'm categorically a hotelier, and I'm currently associated with Sanghi Industries Limited as a estate manager. And I'm a father to Master Abhiraj Banerjee, who is into your school, joined recently. So during school, your kids observe and absorb so many things while being confined in home. So they have limited exposure to learning, understanding, and experiencing. For example, Abhiraj is mostly clingy, not interested in exaggerating and modifying his new God-gifted world rather than sitting with his digital gadgets at his sweet home, which is very much affecting his mental and physical growth to an extent, which we as a parents can't gulp at some times. And now as these digital platform is talk of the town, nobody knows what will be the future of children. Digital platform are good for adults, but of course not for kids who has just grown up and, and want to explore himself rather than sticking to the iPads, laptops, and mobiles.
Right, you're so right in this. I agree to this. Dr. Reema.
Hello, Shalja ma'am.
Hello, Dr. Reema.
I have a question for you. Do you think a preschool is important? If it is yes, then why? Is there a substantial difference if the child goes to preschool or if he goes directly to mainstream schooling?
I think, it's really important to understand why preschool is important, right? It's a place where child is going to a more safer environment apart from his home. So it kind of helps the child to groom himself overall, emotional, social, and academically, of course, and prepare them to face the real world in true sense, right? And I think preschool is very, very important because as we've just spoke about that how important it is for a child to be exposed to many different stimuli, right? And not just one. Right now everything is only online, gadget, device, internet, and probably very little interaction or limited interaction with your family and a close set of friends. Preschool becomes a platform wherein you can make friends, learn social skills, emotional skills. You learn how to deal with your emotions and other requirement. You become expressive. Right now I think children aren't even expressive. They don't even know whether this is what life is. They don't know. Probably for them this is what it is, but honestly this is not what it is, right? So preschool is very, very important because it's going to prepare them to face the real world. For me, if you ask me what for me preschool is, it's more like a warm-up exercise, right? Just before you are trying to hit into the gym and lift up like 20-30 kgs dumbbell, you need to warm up. You need to do warm-up exercises, right? So preschool is like a platform where you are developing those skills to face the real world.
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so very much. I have one question for our guest, that is Mr. Abhishek and Dr. Reema today. What are the potential impact on the child growth due to COVID-19?
Ma'am, since children are not able to go to school since so long, so many things are affecting, like their qualities of sharing and even communication with friends and everywhere. They are not even involved in physical activities. Anyhow, it is damaging their overall development. And even they have become so much stubborn also. I think they have become so much stubborn. They are not listening to their parents, as they are very busy in watching television and playing games in phones. It really affects, this COVID situation really affects them a lot.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Rima. Mr. Abhishek, would you like to share a few things again?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, my kid is 2.5, but I can also see a huge difference when he was at home during this pandemic. He's like more into gadgets only rather than showing interest in playing games or doing activities. So this pandemic has really affected the children a lot.
Thank you so very much,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone, for your valuable time with us. Hope you all had a wonderful session today, and you also had some information related to it. Please share your views and suggestions with us on this page itself. But before we end our session today, I would like to pay our thanks to Mrs. Usha Agarwal, who is the founder of Little Wings Holistic Childhood Center. Be happy and be safe. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.